Best and cheapest Android luggage tracker. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. So I've been using Tiles and Chipolo for a while, but they're not cheap unless you get them on sale, and also they didn't work all the time for me. But I was looking for a different brand, and then I came across the MiLi MiTag. So I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but I have a good feeling that it's called MiLi. And today in this video, I'm going to open it and show you what comes in it and give you the price, and then I'm going to track a luggage and set it up for the first time. Once you open the box, this is what you get. So there's like a service card. You can email them for after hour services, and also this is guarantee card. And then there's a small user manual which is right here, and then here you get the Bluetooth trackers, and you can see that there are 4, and I'm just going to take one and try to connect it and show you guys how it works. Now I see that they added a clip to attach it to something, which is very nice. And on the back of the box there's nothing else, so basically that's all you get here. So I'm just going to set it aside. Now I'm doing this is for the first time, so I'm just going to have to go through user manual. Now you can see that the power button on, press the button once, a beep will sound. So I'm just going to press it once. Oh yes, I do hear the sound. Power off, press and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, so that means it's off. So that's how you turn it on or off. Now here, fast pair instructions. So you have to turn on your phone's Bluetooth, which I already did, and I'm just going to open my phone now, or unlock my phone, and you can see that my Bluetooth is on right here, and it says press the button once to turn on the MiTag, which we are going to do it again. Okay, so this is on now. Bring this closer to your Android device and wait for the pop-up to show. Okay, so there should be a pop-up right here. Let me see if we can see anything. Actually, oh yeah, I do get a pop-up. It was kind of hiding. Okay, so there's a pop-up here, and here it just says that this will appear on devices linked with my email address, and here it says connect. So I'm just going to click connect, and it's trying to connect right now, and let's see what happens. So now here we have just terms and conditions. I'm just going to hit agree and continue, and find your devices in more places. So it's just giving you some more information. You have to turn this on. You're currently using the find in high traffic areas only, and okay, so basically if you turn this on, then I think it gives you more access to locations, which I'm going to turn on for now. And if you don't want that, you can just change it later. And now it's adding it to the device. So let's see what happens here. Okay, now I get a pop-up from Google, and it says that open the Find My Device app to manage MiTag. You can change the device name and category and anything. So open the app, click here, and so looks like I can see that here is my device now, and here it says allow access to nearby devices to locate your devices or play sound. Okay, so this one I'm just going to turn it on. Allow. Okay, so you can see that the message is battery okay, near you right now. And here is the map, and it shows where the device is right now, so which is a very good thing. And play sound. Let's click on play sound and see what happens. Okay, so you heard the noise or sound or beeping sound. Now one thing is that the sound is kind of low. If you're at the airport and trying to find your luggage and playing this sound, I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not sure if there's a way you can increase the sound, but I'm going to just quickly check from here, and let's see. I don't see anything actually here that you can increase the sound, so maybe you have to just rely on the level of decibel right here. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. And play sound, find nearby. And here there's another option, play sound. And let's see what happens here. Move around. Device is very close. Okay, so this option somehow is not working because it's too close here. So I think you have to go a little far to... Okay, actually it's working now. Okay, yeah, the sound, that's the only thing I have a complaint about. But except everything, it's a very low price and very easy to install. And hopefully this is going to help us a lot on our next trip, which is coming up within a couple of weeks. And this is MiTag by MiLi, and it works with Android. Now what I'm noticing that if you have a Chipolo, it has its own app. Chipolo has its own app, but this one doesn't have any app of its own. It just uses Google My Device, and that's kind of the app. You have to open just Google My Device, and you can see it right there. So I'm going to add more and then put it in my one in carry-on, one in luggage, and one in other bag, so that way we have a peace of mind. And this is the MiLi MiTag Bluetooth tracker, works for Android devices. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.